Apple just released the biggest iOS update in over a decade. Yeah, iOS 26 is officially here and Apple has really made a lot of changes to iPhones this year. I mean, they skipped iOS 19, iOS 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. But iOS 26 is more than just a number. First up is obviously the redesign. Yeah, Apple unveiled a new liquid glass redesign this year and it looks really good. It's everywhere on iPhone, so you get new glass-like app icons, the control center has a fresh new look, and there's a lot more. The lock screen now supports spatial photos which look amazing and very lifelike. The clock can take up more space and it can dynamically resize itself based on what's on your lock screen, which looks very cool. And yes, notifications are still a mess, but at least they look nice now. But it's not just that, Apple has really paid attention to detail with this redesign. I mean, look at the way these elements react to the content behind and around them, and look at this floating tab bar navigation animation. Even the reflections around app icons move as you move your phone around. This is just overkill, but honestly, it's what Apple was known for back in the day, so yeah, I'm actually really happy with this redesign. Plus, all the apps are better. The camera app now has a simpler UI and you can still easily switch between all your camera modes. Plus, you now get all the format resolution settings right here in the camera app. So you don't need to jump back and forth between the settings and the camera app when you're just trying to click a good picture. The Photos app is better now too. It is simpler and cleaner, and all the albums, media types, etc. is now under a separate tab which you can comfortably ignore all the time. The Music app has animated album art on the lock screen which looks gorgeous, and the Phone app has a new unified layout to keep your favorites and recents together on one screen, which looks terrible to me, but fortunately you can switch it back to the original style. Plus, there's support for call screening and hold assist, which will come in handy for spam calls and for those customer care calls when you're on hold for a long time.
Your call is very important to us. Please hold. All operators are busy at this time. Please hold.
Moving on, you can now set custom backgrounds in messages, and there are some nice options to pick and choose from, but you can also use AI to make your own custom backgrounds, which is, it's fun, but it's not something I used ever again after just trying it once. And you can now create new emojis by mixing two default emojis as well. So if you wanted a dog eating a cake, well, there you go. Plus, you can now easily text with people who speak a different language using Live Translate. There's also the Games app, which is basically Game Center, but new. It's basically like a game launcher for your iPhone, so you can see all the games you've been playing right here and continue playing easily. Or you can see which games your friends are playing and challenge them in different games. And obviously there's Apple Arcade here as well. So yeah, it basically brings everything gaming on iPhone in one single app. Also, there's Apple Intelligence. Now, most of the actually interesting AI features that Apple showed off last year will actually be coming over the next year. But for now, we do get a slightly improved visual intelligence on iPhone. You can now search for things on your iPhone screen and even ask questions about them, and you'll get Google image results or ChatGPT answers to your queries. You can also save calendar events, call phone numbers, and basically do everything that Google Lens has been doing for years. Apart from all these big changes, iOS 26 has a number of other smaller updates as well. You can now see the amount of time your iPhone will take to charge right on the lock screen. You can use Apple Intelligence models in your shortcuts. You can choose between SDR and HDR screenshots and screen recordings. There's a new preview app for your images and PDFs. There are live translations for lyrics in Apple Music, polls in iMessage, and a lot more. So yeah, iOS 26 is a pretty massive update for iPhones, and hopefully it won't be as buggy as other updates have been in the past. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Also, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tech videos. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.